Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add HTML code to your website in Shopify. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you just click here on Add Section. And be in your site, click Add Section. Scroll down below and you're gonna see it here, Custom Content. Click on it. Okay, we have it, and Add. So you can see it here, we got a constant content, and now just like delete this one here, and let's add a content, custom HTML, and you just paste the code here and you just change the container width if you would like. So, and that's it. So this is how you can actually do it. And thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support, and things like that. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.